Are your phone sensor working properly, or are you experiencing issues with features like auto rotate, brightness, or motion detection? Fortunately, your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra includes a built-in diagnostic tool that lets you check your phone sensor in just a few taps. Let me show you how. First, open the Setting app, scroll down and tap Device Care. Scroll down the screen. Under Additional Care section, tap Diagnostic. Now tap Phone Diagnostic. Scroll down the screen. From the list of diagnostic tests, tap Sensor. If this is your first time running the test, your phone will start checking the sensor automatically. If you have already run this test before, you will see the previous result. You can simply tap Test again to perform a new sensor check. Once the test is complete, you will see normal if no issues are detected. Below that, you will also find the status of each sensor. For example, here you can see accelerometer normal, pressure sensor normal, and else. Below the Test Again button, you will also see a Request a Repair button. If your phone ever has a sensor-related problem, tap this button and follow the on-screen instruction to submit a repair request. And that's how you check your phone sensor using Phone Diagnostic on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Running this diagnostic test is a quick way to make sure your phone sensors are working correctly, helping you identify potential hardware issues before they affect your daily use. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.